So Remy has this new thing she's been doing for a few days, and I love it. Hi, Remy. Do you want more? You want more quesadilla? He does this big head nod, and it's so funny. Do you like it? Do you love mommy? Do you love daddy? Do you love daddy? Do you love Auntie Mija? Do you love Auntie Mija? Remy, do you love Auntie Mija? Do you love Uncle Matt and all your boy cousins? Do you love your cousins and Uncle Matt? Anyway, I think it's hilarious. It's so cute. I love you. Mwah. Bye-bye.